Hi guys, welcome back. This is Trading DNA. We are happy to welcome you all back to another interesting video. In this video, we are going to see the possibilities of direction that the Nifty and Bank Nifty can move. And before continuing watching this video, our analytics shows that people who are choosing to watch our videos are not subscribing in huge numbers. It will be very much helpful for us if you consider subscribing to our channel. And if you are one of them, please do subscribe to this channel and let's get into this video. So when you look at the Nifty 50 chart in weekly time frame, it took the support from 16800 levels and it has bounced back from this level. Considering the last week, the Nifty has opened at 17427 and made a high of 17638 and low of 17312, and finally Nifty has closed at 17600, which is 1.38% gain comparing to the previous week's low. So when you look at the 4-hour time frame of Nifty 50 chart, it is clear that it has formed double bottom at these levels. Usually double bottom are considered as bullish, and when it is formed at support, it will be more effective. So considering both into an account, it is expected that Nifty can go higher from this point, and it has also clearly broke the neckline of 17200 levels. Now looking into the day time frame, Nifty is traveling in a bearish channel and Nifty has just broke this channel, and if it continues to gain, so there are chances that Nifty can go higher from this point. If the Nifty continues its rally, we can expect the Nifty to go till 1800 levels, and if it comes down, the support is placed at 16800 levels. Hence, from the technical analysis, we understand that the Nifty can travel between 1700 to 1800 levels in the coming week. Now let us see some of the stocks that are contributing in large number to Nifty. First, we are going to see Reliance. When you look at the Reliance in a weekly time frame, it is clear that it has formed morning star pattern, that too at the major support level, which clearly indicates that this stock can go higher from this point. And if it goes up, we can expect the resistance at 2700 levels, and if it breaks down, we can expect the support at 2000 levels. If the Reliance respects this morning star candle and if it goes up, it is expected that Nifty can also have a bullish run, since Reliance is the company that is most contributing to the Nifty 50. And when you look at the HDFC is also trying to break this resistance, and the volume is also coming in huge numbers. Once it breaks this resistance, and it is expected that this stock can go higher till 2950 levels. If it falls down, the support for this stock is placed at 2500 levels. If this HDFC can have the bull run, then Nifty can also expected to have the bullish trend. Now let us see how the Bank Nifty is performing. When you look at the weekly time frame, the Bank Nifty has also took support at this 39,000 levels, and it has made a pullback from this point, and it is also expected to break this bearish channel's resistance. If this Bank Nifty breaks and closes above this resistance, then you can expect the bullish trend from this Bank Nifty also, and you can also see the morning star at this support levels. So morning star at the support levels, which gives the higher efficient that the stock can go up. And when you look at the 4-hour time frame, Bank Nifty has also formed double bottom, which is a sign of bullish trend. Now you are looking at the daily time frame, and if the Bank Nifty breaks and closes above 42,000 levels, you can expect the bullish trend from this 42,000 levels. You can have the resistance at 43,600 levels. If the Bank Nifty falls, the support is placed at 39,100 levels. So we have discussed the support and resistance levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And the views and the levels that we share are not recommendations. They are for educational purposes. So we have to wait and watch how it is performing. And those who are finding it difficult to understand all these terms, We have a separate series on technical analysis. I will give the link of that playlist in the description and card section. Kindly consider checking that video. You can learn the technical analysis from the basics in that playlist. And don't forget to comment down whether you are bullish or bearish on Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week. And if you want us to analyze any of these stocks, feel free to put that in comment section. We will try our best to explain that with you. And we kindly request you people to subscribe to our channel for more analysis coming your way. See you all in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.